How to generate shipping label in Ipshopy. Step 1. Visit ipshopy.com and navigate to the Business Center. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button in the Business Center. Step 3. Enter your email ID and password to log in. Step 4. In the seller dashboard, click on View All Orders or select My Orders from the left side menu. Step 5. Before generating a label, make sure to select the pickup address of warehouse for the product. If you don't select a specific warehouse, the system will automatically use your default warehouse address. Select the product for which you want to generate the label. Click on the Generate Label button. Step 6. Go to the RTD, Ready to Dispatch section. Click on the Label button to preview or download your shipping label. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Ipshopy for more helpful tutorials, seller tips, and the latest updates.